Solve problems, bills of exchange, journal entries in the books of Drawee and Drawee. Problem. Basu owes 20,000 rupees to Das on 1st June 2013. Basu accepted the bill for the amount for 3 months. Assuming that the bill was dishonored on maturity and 100 rupees had to be paid as noting charges, give journal entries in the books of Das in each of the following cases. A. If the bill is retained by Das. B. If the bill is endorsed in favor of Paramesh. Journal entries in the books of Mr. Das, Drawee. Basu accepted the bill for the amount of 3 months. Bills receivable account debtor 20,000 to Mr. Basu, credit 20,000, being the bill drawn on Mr. Basu. The bill was dishonored on maturity and rupees 100 had to be paid as noting charges. If the bill is retained by Das, noting charges account debtor to cash 100 rupees, being the noting charges paid. And the second entry, Mr. Basu debtor 20,100 including noting charges. 2. Bills receivable 20,000 to noting charges 100, being the bill dishonored on maturity. The bill was dishonored on maturity and rupees 100 had to be paid as noting charges. And option B, if the bill is endorsed in favor of Mr. Paramesh. Journal entry will be Paramesh account debtor 20,000 to bills receivable 20,000, being the bill endorsed to Mr. Paramesh. Second entry will be noting charges debtor 100 to cash 100 rupees credit, being the notice charges paid. Next entry will be Das account debtor 20,100 including noting charges to Paramesh 20,000 to noting charges 100, being the bill dishonored on maturity. Journal entries in the books of Mr. Basu. Basu accepted the bill for the amount of 3 months. Das debtor 20,000 to bills payable 20,000, being the bill accepted in favor of Das. When the bill is dishonored on maturity, rupees 100 has to be paid as noting charges by the Drawee. The amount of the bill along with noting charges has been charged to Das by the Drawee in the case if he retained the bill with him or endorsed the bill to Mr. Paramesh. In any case, the final entry in the case of Mr. Basu will be bills repayable account debtor 20,000, noting charges and expense 100 to Das 20,100, being the bill dishonored on maturity. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.